Hi, this is Steven at elcom. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to use taxonomy to drive the personalization of the content displayed by a dynamic widget based on user preferences. In other words, we're going to let a user of the site decide what sort of content they want to see that's being generated by the dynamic widget. For this example, we'll use an image gallery. Right now this is showing you images of financial related things and IT related things. I'm going to go into my taxonomy first, and you'll notice that I have a department taxonomy under which I have a number of taxonomies. The two I'm interested in here are finance and IT. Just to look into the finance taxonomy, you'll see there's an option checked here which says user preference. If you want to be able to drive personalization with taxonomy, you have to make sure that the taxonomy is enabled as belonging to the user preferences, and you'll see why shortly. The next thing I've done is I've tagged a number of the images with the appropriate taxonomy. I'll show you a couple of examples of this in the image manager. If I look at this picture of the printed circuit board, you'll notice that the taxonomy has been applied here, and it's applied as IT. Similarly, my financial related images are tagged as finance. The one exception here, just to show you another scenario, is that I have an image which belongs to both IT and finance. And you'll see the effect of that in a moment as well. The next thing I want to do is I want to go into my user preferences. You'll see under user preferences a number of taxonomies listed here. The one we're interested in right now is department, because that's the one which contains IT and finance. I'll click Edit, and I'll say I am interested only in IT, and I'll click Save. If I go back to my image gallery now and refresh, you'll see that nothing has changed yet. That's because the final step in setting this up is to tell the dynamic widget to pay attention to a specific user's preferences and personalize the content based on that. So I'll open up this article for editing, and I'll edit this dynamic widget, and under the taxonomy tab, I'm going to inherit the following taxonomies from the user preferences. I'm going to choose department, and I'll click Publish. And now you'll see I've got a smaller set of images. Each of these has been tagged with IT. None of the images that have been tagged strictly as finance are appearing in this image gallery. And this is a feature you can make available to all users of the system. So in other words, any user can choose what topics they're interested in, as well as what they're not interested in, and the dynamic widget will automatically display only content matching those interests. So it's just that easy to set up personalization in the elcomCMS using taxonomy and dynamic widgets. Thanks for watching.